Hello fellow plant lovers! For this video, I will be showing you how we planted calamansi plant or Philippine lime in our mini farm. I'm currently here at the plant stores along the road to see if we can buy calamansi seedlings that we will be planting later on. What we are looking for are grafted calamansi so that it will bear fruits faster. Let's go! We are finally here at the plant store where we will buy our grafted calamansi. As you can see, there are many varieties of calamansi here in this store. We will be buying 5 grafted calamansi. Here it is. Let's now go to our mini farm. Welcome back to our mini farm. If you want to see the whole area, please watch the Farmlat Project Series videos. Here's the grafted calamansi that we bought earlier. And we're now ready to start planting it. First, we need to dig a hole. Remove the plastic seedling bag before putting the grafted calamansi inside the hole. Place the calamansi inside the hole and then cover it with soil. We will put a bamboo stick beside the calamansi to serve as a support. The current weather here in the mini farm is not that good and the wind is blowing really hard. We need to do this in order for the calamansi not to fall or to be damaged. Now we're ready to plant the second calamansi. Make sure that there is enough space in between plants. We will now be planting the third calamansi. Again, make sure that there's enough space in between plants. We are done planting all the grafted calamansi seedlings that we bought at the plant store earlier. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something from it. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button below and the notification bell, and also comment and like our videos. Thank you!